Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to prepare white sauce pasta. It's an easy weeknight meal which gets ready in just 30 minutes with its creamy and rich texture. So let's get started. So for this I've taken this 2 cups of pasta. So today I'm using this macaroni pasta because my children love it, and if you want you can also use penne pasta or whichever spiral pasta you like. We are going to boil this. So for this, in a big container, I have taken enough water for boiling. As soon as the water comes to boil, I am going to add in a teaspoon of salt to flavor the pasta and a teaspoon of oil. Mix that and let it come to a good boil. And then I am going to add the pasta. Mix it and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes or until it's 80 to 90% cooked. So continue cooking it on medium-high flame until it's al dente, which means it should be slightly underdone. If you're using a different pasta, then you can check the instructions on the pasta packet for the correct cooking time. For this pasta, it takes only 6 to 7 minutes. I think it's done. I'll cut one pasta and show you. You can see it's slightly underdone and you can see a small ring, white ring which is forming in between. That's the perfect stage. It must be tender, firm and chewy but not mushy. At this stage, close the flame and strain the pasta. But before that, reserve the pasta stock about half to 1 cup which we will be using later to dilute the pasta. Drain to a colander and pour some more water over it so that the cooking stops and set it aside. Next up, in a pan we are going to cook all the vegetables. So first we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil. You can also use butter instead. To this goes in a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, and this will give a very nice garlicky flavor to the pasta. If you're a garlic lover, then you can add some more garlic to it. Cook that for about 30 to 40 seconds or until its rawness goes away and becomes slightly golden brown. Next I'm adding some onions. So this is 1 onion which I've chopped fine. Cook that for about 2 minutes or until it's tender. Followed by all the veggies. So today I'm using 1 small carrot, half capsicum. You can use different colored capsicum or bell peppers, whichever you have handy. I'm also adding the yellow bell pepper, the red one, and handful of boiled corns. Mix everything and cook for about just 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook it and make them very mushy. We need that slight crunchiness in all the vegetables. So today I'm using all these vegetables. If you want, you can also use some chickens, mushrooms or even zucchini. So in goes some salt and pepper. Mix it and keep it aside. Next up, in a pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter. This is salted butter. And to this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. And today we are going to make bechamel sauce, which is also known as white sauce. Turn down the heat to low to medium and saute this until the flour loses the raw smell for about 2 to 3 minutes. But make sure the color of the flour should not change. This step is very important. So keep mixing it. You can see that it's becoming a little frothy on top, which means the flour is getting nicely cooked. This is called roux. This looks good to me. I think it's almost done. At this stage, I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk. So first I'm adding half a cup of milk. Whisk it really nicely so that no lumps are formed. And once that milk is incorporated nicely with the base, and then I'm going to add the remaining milk. So keep adding the milk and mixing it all the while. You can use a whisk to remove any kind of lumps. And let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low-medium flame. You can see the sauce is getting thicker. So make sure you get a smooth sauce which is free from any kind of lumps. So this white sauce is ready because it's coating the back of the spoon. That's perfect uniform sauce. Do not make it too thick, else your pasta will become dry. So here we'll add some salt, some black pepper powder, some mixed herb seasoning or oregano, whichever you wish to, some red chili flakes. Mix it. You can adjust the seasoning as per your taste. And then I'm adding some cheese, about 1 cup of cheese. So 3/4 cheese I'm using the regular cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can choose to use any cheese of your choice. So this perfect cheesy white sauce base is ready. To this I'm going to add in the earlier prepared vegetables along with the boiled pasta. And I'm also adding some fresh basil because I had it handy. If you want, you can also use the dry ones or simply increase the quantity of mixed herb seasoning. And mix everything really well for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the pasta is nicely coated with this perfectly flavorful cheesy base. And to dilute this pasta, I'm using the reserved stock. Oh my god, just look at this. It's so rich, creamy and smooth. So as soon as you feel the pasta is done, turn off the flame. Do not overheat the white sauce pasta, else it will turn dry. And here you go, guys. Your hot, creamy white sauce pasta is ready. Serve it hot and you can add some herbs on top and serve it immediately as the sauce tends to thicken as it cools down. So I hope you enjoyed this very easy peasy and comforting food today. And if yes, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.